Welcome again to Math with Faith. This is chapter 2, where we are discussing areas and so on. Right now, we are on lesson 3. And lesson 3 is about finding the area of irregular shapes. Right? So we can find easily the area of an irregular shape. So when we say an irregular shape, we mean like it's not a square, it's not a circle, it's not a rectangle, triangle, any shape that we could identify. It's just a shape. So like in this example, it looks like a splash of water. So it's just a normal shape. And you can still calculate its area if you place it over a grid, right? Or if you place a grid over it. So if you do not have a known shape, you will have to put it under a grid of known lengths and estimate the area based on how many boxes of the grid it occupies. So the best grid that you could use is one that is like 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Each length is 1 centimeter long. And the reason why that would be best would be because it's easy to calculate the area using something like that, right? So let's assume that each box in this particular grid that we've placed over our shape has an area of 1 centimeter squared, meaning each side has length 1 centimeter. So the area of one box will be 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter squared. There are 22 full boxes and 12 filled boxes, right? So let's count the filled. Now, if you notice, this one has just a little bit out, but it is quite insignificant. Call it 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, insignificant, so we could count it as a whole one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. A whole one here, 22, and a whole one here, 23. Oh, so it should be 23 filled boxes, right? So there are 23 filled boxes and 12 half-filled boxes. So let's look at the half-filled. So this one, that's about half. Remember, we are just estimating. This is about half, half. Just about half, because you have this side and this side. Half. These two are about quarter filled, so that makes it about half. These two will be 2 quarters, which is about half filled and a half. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 half-filled boxes. Right? So we have 23 filled boxes and 11 half-filled boxes. I counted incorrectly, right? So you have to make sure you count correctly. So 23 filled boxes and 11. Oh, this is another half here. So 12 half-filled boxes. So we good to go. 12 half-filled boxes. So these two quarters make a half, right? So 23, that's 23 centimeters squared. 23 boxes by 1 centimeter. And 12 by 0.5 centimeters squared, or because it's half filled. So it's like 6 filled boxes. So that's 6 centimeters squared, right? So 23 plus 6, and that will give me 29 centimeters squared. So this shape is approximately 29 centimeters squared based on our 1 centimeter grid that we placed over it, right? So that is how we can find out the area of an irregular shape.